So I saw YouTube videos and like ideas on how people typically do it.
Yeah, tell me.
No, I don't want that. I want to see how you do it.
How I would do it
Yeah.
without anything. What about this pipe? That needs to be intact, right?
Well, it's the copper pipe. We'll just take it out.
Oh, it is cut off right there.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter.
Whatever you
I
break
hit it by
take
accident.
the little piece that...
Yeah, go with the battle axe.
Here's what I'm thinking.
Yep.
I really want to hit that big part.
This part.
Yeah.
Why don't you hit to the other side?
Right.
Hit like that.
Yeah.
The only thing is I thought it would like maybe go into that room. But there's other stuff to clean up in there anyway.
Yeah.
The other cool thing would be if you hit it kind of like on the corner and just broke the whole thing.
That's incredible.
That'd be incredible.
I don't think that would happen.
You hit the... you hit the...
If it was round,
what's this
I
called?
feel like the first swing you'd miss.
Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna hit it and just break it in that way. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
All right.
I just want to see you hit it and like bounce back like one of those like cartoons.
My first hit's gonna be
Alright, hold up.
right there. If we put this on Facebook, my dad's gonna be super pissed that I don't have safety glasses
That's what I was
on.
going to ask you.
Do we have any safety glasses?
No.
I have a hard hat. You can wear Tyler's, that's right.
Alright, ready, Tyler?
Did you sign the
I'll shut
waiver
my
yet?
eyes.
This is a video waiver.
Ready?
Yep.
He accepts all responsibility.
It did the thing.
Doing
Okay.
it?
It's a good slam. And the back of
It hurts my ears.
So I think I'm hitting the handle. So yeah, I gotta get like lower, or just go over to this side. Are you all right? You all right there?
I think we're good. Oh yeah, there's a crack. Yes.
There
Oh.
we go.
Fast. Don't miss.
Don't flip your legs.
Yeah. Love it.
Woo!
Nice.
I felt good. Felt good about that. So this is what cast iron is. Wow.
Just like painted?
That's heavy.
It's just like iron.
It's like an enamel.